Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and I'm the mom here. I have three littles and I call them my arrows. They are 11, 7, and 5. These series of videos are a little different than what I usually post, but this is just a series on our camper, Reno and demo and just redo. You'll find all kinds of things here on my channel, from homeschooling to homesteading to DIYs, whatever we're doing, and I hope you enjoy them. If you do, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell. Without further ado, let's hop into this week's video. Now that all the parts of the roof are now fixed, Josh is just going to power wash and clean all the impurities off that he can. And then he will move on to painting the waterproof coating on the top. Just before the cleaning, you can see how dirty and flaky and just nasty that it was. Of course, he got all that off. And then he started to paint on the top coat. As you can see here, he has gone along the sides and kind of lined where he's going to be painting it. And here we see him just rolling it on, and what he's using is Henry 100% silicone tropical white roof coating. He got this from Home Depot. This was the best option that he could find for our roof. And this is what she looks like finished. He did a great job. He still has to do the slide outs, but other than that, the roof is done.